Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how I flush my colon, flush out waste, bad fats, toxins, and get back in shape and so healthy. So talking of flushing and cleansing the system, the first ingredient I use is apple, which is a very powerful cleanse. It cleanses your organs, most especially your liver, and leaves it in good state to in turn flush out toxins, all the bad stuffs out of your system, cleanse your colon for you, and this is so good. So what you need is one apple, wash and slice into some little sizes that can get into your blender, and you set that aside. So the second ingredient I use, which is very good, it's a powerful cleanse as well, is lemon. Lemons help you cleanse out all the bad acids in your system, sodium, salt, like all the heavy salt, excess sugars in your system, like slowing your metabolism, cleanses everything out for you, and leaves your system so clean, plus boost your metabolism, boost your immune system, so your system can be, your organs can be so active to flush and cleanse all those bad stuffs out of your system. So this is one lemon, you slice up into little sizes as well. Carrots are very good for cleansing your internal system, your organs, like internal cleanse. It cleans everything all up for you, your blood, your liver, all your organs. Carrots are very good. So what you need is one carrot, wash thoroughly, slice up into some good little sizes. So while cleansing your system, it cleans your inner, it gives you that inner beauty from inside. It makes you glow naturally, have a beautiful skin as well. So this is one carrot, you set that aside. Very good. The next very powerful cleanse to give your inner system a thorough cleanse is celery. So I'll be using three stalks of celery, very cleansing, very detoxifying, very good at cleaning your system from the inside. So this is it, slice up into some good little sizes, and you're good to go. The celery contains chlorophyll, which is a very powerful cleanser. Chlorophyll is very good when you want to really deep clean your system, and you get lots and lots of it from celery, and that is why celery is a very powerful cleansing ingredient. And ginger as well. Ginger heats up your system to flush waste, toxins, has anti-inflammatory properties to equally get rid of all the gases, fats build up, waste build up in your system, cleanse your colon for you. That way you pass out everything and you are so healthy and so clean from the inside. So this is a thumb size of ginger, you set that aside. Chia seeds, when you want to like give your system, like have your system all free of bad fats, waste, just get some flaxseed. So I'll be sharing with you how to go about the flaxseed. What you want to do is to get 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, measure 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and put in your bowl. So when I measure 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and put in my bowl, I always go ahead and add in water to soak up, so it gets like manageable. When you just put it in, like I'll tell you why subsequently. So just soak up with half a cup of water in your 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And yeah, so this is it, just set that aside and get your blender. So this is what you want to do: put in your ingredients, that is the one apple, you put in your one lemon in case you miss, the thumb size of ginger, the one carrot, and the 3 stalks of celery you put in there. So the next thing you want to add is 3 cups of water. So add in 3 cups of water, 3 cups of water. Blend till you get a smooth consistency. So 3 cups of water will blend this and give you two of the cups I'll be sharing with you. So just blend, and I'll show you how to go. So just blend, and I'll tell you how to consume this. Let me not rush to that part. So this is it, squeeze out the juice from this. This is so, like, this is very powerful. This gives your system, your organs, your colon, your gut, like that deep cleanse, flushes bad fats. That way you lose all the belly fat and the rest, and lose those bad stubborn waist causing you gaining weight, and you stay in shape and very healthy. So this is it. Now this is your juice. The next thing you want to do is to add in the chia seeds, that you soaked. So you see, very okay now and so nice. So you add it in there, add the chia seeds in there, the soaked chia seeds, and mix very well so everything gets to, so just mix, and voila, this is it. Very powerful cleanse. Will cleanse your colon, help you flush bad fats, flush toxins, waste from your system, and leave your system so healthy and clean. So this is it. Now you transfer in, you split in two portions. So you split in two portions in whatever cup. If you have mason jars, that is fine. Just split in two portions, and you drink one cup in the morning on an empty tummy, one last thing at bedtime. Like, consume this when you have not eaten, or you are not about to eat any other thing. So no food or oil obstructs the cleansing process and the fat burning process. Like, this is so healthy. Yeah, so this is it. Drink in the morning on an empty tummy, last thing at bedtime. It is equally very yummy and so nice. So you just store the remaining somewhere later, you go for it, and yeah. So this is it. Enjoy and leave your system so clean and healthy. This is so cleansing. Plus, if you really want to always be clean without all the bad fats in your system causing weight gain, you want to make sure you are drinking enough water. I share videos encouraging the consumption of water, how you can drink enough water to maintain a healthy body size, flush your system, cleanse waste out of your system, because water has a lot of benefits. Water prevents you from gaining weight because it helps you with digestion. Water helps you cleanse your system because it is a natural cleanse, it is a flush. That is what will clean you from the inside. So if you want to be cleansed, most especially your colon, your organs, your liver, all your organs love water. So make sure you're drinking lots and lots of water, at least 2 liters a day. Drink as much as your system can accommodate, and trust me, you will always be healthy. Your organs will love you for that. And yeah, so you equally want to share this video with your family and friends. Tell them Riza said we should try this recipe because it will leave us so healthy and clean from the inside. We should drink our water. Make sure you're drinking your water, and trust me, you will always be healthy and so happy. Yeah, so I can't reiterate enough. This is so good. You want to try, share the video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.